Today we are going to perform experiment number 14, that is use RTD to measure temperature of given liquid. So this experiment is based on temperature sensor RTD. So RTD stands for resistance temperature detector. In this experiment we are going to study the resistance temperature characteristics of RTD. So resistance of conductor changes when its temperature change. So this property is utilized for the measurement of temperature, that is RTD. That is, it is used in the measurement of temperature in a huge range, that is minus 260 degrees centigrade to 1000 degrees centigrade. The materials used for the construction is platinum, copper, nickel. Sometimes alloys are also used. So the materials used for the construction is platinum, copper, nickel. Sometimes alloys are also used. Different metals have different melting points, so that's why the materials which is used for its construction, depending upon that, the ranges of the RTD changes. So this is the whole setup of RTD, okay, where we are going to study the temperature versus resistance characteristics of this RTD. So here we have RTD. Okay, so this is the setup. So here we have LED, RTD, these two leads. So one wire from one LED, one lead is connected over here at the RTD, where we are going to measure at these terminals resistance across this RTD through multimeter. Okay. So here we have connected multimeter across these two terminals in order to measure resistance. Another wire from another lead is given here, where we are going to measure the temperature of water. Okay, so here we have connected the second terminal LED lead wire, so where we are going to measure the temperature of water. In this vessel, water is at normal temperature. Right now it is at normal, and this is a heater. With the help of heater, we are going to raise the temperature of water. So as soon as we start the heater, the temperature of the water changes, and that temperature will be displayed over here. As per the temperature changes, that temperature is sensed by this RTD. The sensed temperature will be reflected on across these terminals and reflected on this digital multimeter. So for corresponding change in temperature, the corresponding resistance of that RTD changes, which we are going to measure. So we are noting down the temperature and its corresponding resistance over here. For plotting a graph, the temperature is on x-axis and resistance is on the y-axis. So let us start the heater first. Okay, let us start the experiment. So first what we have to do, we have to start the heater first. Switch on the heater. Right now the temperature is at 32 degrees centigrade, which is the room temperature and which has been displayed here. The corresponding resistance is at 112. It is fluctuating 112.1 ohm. So note down these values. Note down these values in the observation table. The observation table I'll show you. The observation table consists of two columns. One is temperature and second one is resistance. Okay, so depending on the corresponding temperature, what resistance you will receive, you have to write down here. So we will going to measure the temperature in the steps of 2. With the first we will measure the temperature for 33, then 35, then 37. Okay, so for 33 we are getting 113.8 degree or 113.8 ohm. Now change the temperature. As we switch on the heater, initially we have write down the normal temperature. Now as we start the heater, now this temperature will be vary from 33 to 34 to 35 likewise. Now we'll wait for the temperature to raise up to 35. Now the temperature is raised to 35. So for 35 degrees centigrade, we are getting the resistance value. What is the resistance value? 114.6, 114.6 ohm. Now we'll change the temperature. We'll wait to change the temperature up to 37. For 37, what value we will receive? So this mean the steps of 2, 33, 35, then we will take for 37, then 39 likewise. So for 37 degree centigrade, we are getting the, so for 37, we are getting 114.4. 114.7. Next we will take for 39. So likewise we have to take the measurement for different temperature, then depending on that we will get the resistance value. So this is the experiment of used RTD for measuring the temperature of given liquid. I hope you have understood the experiment. Thank you.